Let's get some fuel in this thing. We'll take it down the road. I got a nice little spot to shoot this feature. Show y'all what this bad boy looks like. I love this truck, man. It's one of my new favorite OBS's for sure. This truck used to be on a horse farm, and this thing had a 2-horse trailer tied to it all the time. Larry Courtney is the owner. Larry picked it up, he got it, did a 5.7 drop, what IHC control arms, flip kit, put the US mag 22's and 24's on it, and rode it for a while. Well, then jumped on the old YouTubes, come across good old Carport Customs. He went to a car show up around Alexandria, and he met Cade. Y'all know Cade's truck. It is the one that we have called Louisiana Crude. He asked Cade who bagged his truck, and Cade, of course, said, Low and Pops at Carport Customs took care of me, brother. You should go see him. So Larry contacted us, said, hey man, I want to bag my truck. And we got this frame laying flat on the ground on a full Infamus kit. It's got their front end kit with the upper lower control arms. In the rear, it's got their wishbone 3-link kit. Shocks all the way around. We deleted the sway bar up front. For air management, we have 2 Viair full 44s, 5-gallon tank. We've got the Airlift 3-piece setup. This thing rides like a dream. With the big 11-inch wide 24s in the back, the rear end needed to come in. The owner did some research and found out that a 90s model Caprice rear end would work. So that's what he bought us. We also went on ahead and ditched the old drum brakes and put in rear disc brakes. And then while we were at it, threw in a little extras. We threw in the Carport Customs air management plate that bolts up underneath the frame. And you can just pull the whole plate down and get to all of your air management. That way, if you've got to pull any maintenance or if anything goes bad on it, you can change it out. It come out great. This thing rides amazing. It looks sick laying the 24s. Larry, I hope you enjoy it.
Coming.
It's good, huh? It rides like a freaking dream, dude.
God, looks good.
It'll maintain presets.
Okay.
So if it gets down past the preset, you'll hear. Psst, psst, psst.
That feels good just riding again.
It's a super solid truck too, man, for having almost 300,000 miles. It rides good, man. It runs good. It rides. I thought my truck rode good, and then I rode in this, and I was like, I drove my dad home that night in my truck, and I was like, my truck rides like garbage compared to this truck.
This truck's always turned heads, that really is.
Oh yeah.
That's why I was so picky about the paint, man. If I painted this truck tomorrow, it'd be the exact same color.
Oh yeah, yeah, for sure. The colors are dope.
You don't find them.
Nah. Well, she's finally done. She's going home. As much as I love that truck, I love to see it go more. Bye-bye. One down. So many more to go. Stay tuned. The International is coming up.